Okay, another thing we want to do too is we want to check all the GFCIs in the house. This is a ground faulty circuit interrupter. And this is just my little tester, and what it's doing is just to make sure, you see you just turned it off. That's good, that means it's working. It's doing the job that it's supposed to do. And then I'll reset it, test it again, and we're good. Okay, this is a great little tool because it also tells you, so these two orange lines light up, we're good. If any of them light up in a different sequence, then there's an issue, but it's great that this will tell me without me having to take it apart. But anything near water, any outlet near water, 6 feet, has to be GFCI. That's what is now code. Bathrooms have to have it regardless, and now any kitchen renovations, garage, anywhere where there'll be water needs to have a GFCI, and they're just good practice to have because they're just keeping your family safer.